Here we are, another week, and before I tell you about all the exciting developments, first let me say happy Mother's Day to everybody. All right, let's get on with it. This last week I made a bunch of cuts. Looks like I need to make a few more, but everything's doing good. And look who decided to finally perk up a little bit. Cucumbers. But look at this. Now, can you see it? Look at that. We got some squash. Not only there. Got squash there. We got squash coming out everywhere. I don't know how things are going to go with my peppers. But we also got tomatoes. More tomatoes. So everything's looking good. I can't complain. This week I'll probably cut a little bit more off of these. Try and salvage some peppers, but it's looking good. So thanks for watching, everybody, and again, happy Mother's Day. Talk to you later.